Hi everyone. So um just want to say one way in which you can make some money online is to use Canva. So you can do graphic design, you can create digital products to sell on your website or any other platform that allows you to sell digital products. So guys, I'm outside and you can see the Caribbean Sea in the background. So guys, I just want to let you know that you can use Canva. It is very versatile, even for the beginners. If you don't have any graphic design experience, you can use it to start making some money. So click the link in my link in bio if you need help. Bye.